Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Luke Ediger, sales manager here at Charleston Homes. Exciting times in our lives here at Charleston Homes. Excited to announce opening of lots in a new neighborhood as well as another phase of existing neighborhood. So existing first, we have currently are building an Arbor View, have two phases there. We are just now opening third phase for lot reservations. So a lot of new lots out there, and then a brand new neighborhood at 48th and Capehart, which is down in this area, called Falcon Pointe. Super excited about that. Right now opening lots in phase one, going to have quite a number of villa lots there as well, very affordable. So definitely come out and check out those two areas. We'll have information at the models and then eventually here some information on the website. So again, as always, visit our models in Arbor View, which is in Elkhorn, Pebblebrook, which is here in Gretna, and as always at charlestonhomesomaha.com.